Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to go through an article that gives us more information on the renaming of a road in Waterhouse, the Shelley and Frazer Pryce Drive. Now, Shelley and Frazer Pryce is the greatest female sprinter in the world. And Jamaica also has the greatest male sprinter ever in Usain Bolt. Now guys, I want to ask you a question. Why don't we have a Usain Bolt highway, a Usain Bolt stadium, a Shelley and Frazer Pryce highway? I just don't get it. I mean, Shelley and Frazer Pryce grew up in Waterhouse, so they're naming a road in that neighborhood the Shelley and Frazer Pryce Drive, which is great. But shouldn't we name a highway? Just as an example, this road we're driving on is Mandela Highway, the busiest road in Jamaica. Takes you from Kingston to Portmore to Spanish Town, also takes you to the both major highways, the PJ Patterson Highway or Highway 2000 East-West leg, that takes you from Kingston to Mandeville, and Highway 2000 North-South leg, that takes you from Kingston to Ocho Rios. That one is also called the Edward Seaga Highway. Now, why do we have so much of our infrastructure named after foreigners? We have a Ian Fleming International Airport, yet we don't have any Bob Marley International Airport. We don't have any Usain Bolt Airport, Shelley and Frazer Pryce Airport. The busiest road in Jamaica is named after Nelson Mandela, from the former Prime Minister of South Africa. Now, I'm not taking anything away from these people, but the busiest road in Jamaica should be named after a Jamaican. Name another road after a foreigner. I think the Jamaican government needs to seriously look into the naming of the infrastructure in Jamaica. We have a highway that goes from Kingston to Morant Bay. Now that highway is broken up into two sections. From Kingston to Albion, it is 4 lanes. The highway is built, it's 4 lanes. Very nice road. And then from Albion to St. Thomas, it's a 2-lane road. It's a different highway. It's 2 different roads, basically. They're going to name the entire highway after national hero Paul Bogle. I think they should name one section after, give it one name, the 4-lane section, and then the 2-lane section, you give it another name. One of the two should be for Paul Bogle. He's a national hero of Jamaica. You have the Northern Coastal Highway that goes from Port Antonio all the way to Negril. So it goes through Portland, St. Mary, St. Anne, Trelawney, St. James, Hanover, and Westmoreland. Each section of that road, the section of the road that goes through each parish should have a different name. These are highways. We have so many people to honor in Jamaica. And the renaming of these roads are quite easy. You don't need any major... It can be done quite easily. The government can do it. They've done it so many times. Actually, the naming of the Paul Bogle Highway was announced by the Prime Minister. You don't need anything major to be done. So guys, let me know what you think. I think we should honor our Jamaicans by naming highways after them. Every Prime Minister in Jamaica should have a highway named after them. Usain Bolt, the greatest sprinter in the world, should have a highway named after him. Shelley and Frazer Pryce should have a highway named after her. Also name the road in her area after her. Nothing wrong with that. But we should have a Shelley and Frazer Pryce Drive, and we should have a Shelley and Frazer Pryce Highway. And we should even have a Shelley and Frazer Pryce Stadium or airport one day. So guys, let me know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Ashoka Road in Waterhouse, Kingston, where Olympian Shelley and Frazer Pryce was born and raised, has been officially renamed in her honor. Shelley and Frazer Pryce Drive was unveiled during a ceremony organized by the Kingston and St. Andrew Municipal Corporation. The official renaming of Asoka Road follows the KSAMC's approval of a resolution brought by Councillor for the Waterhouse Division Brian Clark last October. The honour is in recognition of Miss Frazer Pryce's achievements in track and field and her unwavering dedication and contribution to Waterhouse and the wider Jamaica. One of the greatest sprinters of all time, Mrs. Frazer Pryce is a 10-time world champion and has secured 8 Olympic medals. She is the only sprinter, male or female, to win 5 world titles and the 100-meter event. During Sunday's ceremony, Mayor of Kingston, Councillor Andrew Swaby, noted that the renaming of the road will serve as an inspiration for youngsters. This road, this Shelley and Frazer Pryce Drive, is not just for her, it's for every child in this community who walks to school with a big dream. It's for every teenager who wonders if anyone will ever call their name with respect. It's for every young man and every young woman who needs to know that where they are from doesn't place limits on where they can go, he said. Alright guys, that's the end of the update article. So let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.